Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and the preparation for Elasticsearch Certified Engineer exam, and today with a new topic, we will see how we can define and use the search template. A note before we jump, as you can see there is a minus here, which means this topic will not be included in the exam, the new version 8.15. This one will be released after January 24. So if you're planning to do the exam after this time, which is or for this version, then you don't need to go through this topic, right? That being said, let's jump to the documentation. If you search for search in template or search template Elasticsearch, you will find this one. The search or the search template in Elasticsearch allow us to define a reusable query structure with placeholders, or enable dynamic query by substituting variables at runtime. This means if you're running the same query every time with the different variables, instead of redefining the query each time, you can define the template and you pass just the variables at the runtime, right? The variables will be in a mustache. So if you want also to have a look on the mustache syntax, then feel free to reach to these links. Otherwise, we're gonna just refer to the variables. So you don't need to go to dive into the mustache syntax. Right, let's jump to our environment. And before we go, if you did not add the sample of data that come from Kibana, so in this example, we're gonna use the weblog. Let's go to the dev tools. Right, let me just remove this one. All right, okay. So we will define the variable first, right? We will define the scripts, and here demo search template, and here we will start with script, right? And here we will specify the language, which gonna be mustache. Then I'll just add a comma here, and here is gonna be the source. Let me remove it. Here we go. And we're gonna define a basic query search. So it's gonna be query, and here it's gonna be match, right? And here we can define our variables. So our first variable is the field name, and here is gonna be the value, right? So this is the syntax. So scripts, we're gonna use mustache, and this is the template or the search template that we're gonna use. So we run acknowledged. Now if we want to use it or use this template, as you can see here in the documentation, here we go. So here in the documentation, they use 3 variables: first, second, third variable. And here during the tests, they give the values, right? So hello world 20 and 10, and here is gonna be the output, right? Now if we want to run it, we use a get, right? So, and here we pass the parameter. We give the ID of the template, and here we give the parameters or the variables. So how are we gonna do that? This will be like this. So it's gonna be get search, and here, okay. So it's gonna be, we're gonna specify the index and search then templates, right? So in our case, we're gonna use the Kibana. It's not e-commerce. I think is weblog. No, 1 second, let's go to discover. Yeah, Kibana, data log. Okay. So it's gonna be here. I don't know why we cannot see the. Let me just copy paste it 1 second. Discover. Right. Perfect. So here is gonna be the syntax like this. So search then templates. There we go. Here we give the ID of the template, which is this one. Great. Now the parameters. Just add a comma here, and here is gonna be the parameters, which is in our case, yes, in our case is gonna be this. It's gonna be the field. It's the field name, equal. Here, for example, we're gonna search in tags. And here we're gonna search in, or here the value, sorry, the value should be error, for example. Right, so this is the syntax. So here what we did in this query, we call the template and we give the ID of this template. So it's calling this and it's passing the variables. So the first field is this one, is tag or tags, and the second is value, and here how it works. So if we search for error, so it's tags error, right? If we search for something else, info, for example, also is gonna get the variable, or is gonna get the result, right? Right, we get to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video.